You got me, that was fucking nice.
What's up, everybody? This is Bazooka Joe Airsoft, and today's video I will be running the Arcturus Cat Explorer indoors along with the Tokyo Marui High Kappa 5.1 at an indoor field in Fort Worth, Texas called Alternate Arms. Fantastic field. Had a great time with great people, fantastic staff. Layout was fun. Lots of obstacles. No games were the same for me because I played the entire field. I recommend it if you are in the area or looking for a different experience on an indoor field. I highly recommend it, and I will let the video speak for itself. And thank you for watching.
You're good, dude. Ah, both of us. Other tray. What? Yeah, I think so. Oh man.